My name is Cheryl, and I'm a designer at the Inclusive Design Research Center in Toronto. But today I'll be speaking to you from the lens of being a co-design lead at Ample Labs. So Ample Labs is a grassroots nonprofit that's brought us to Tech Toronto, and our mission is really to empower youth who are facing or on the verge of facing homelessness with digital tools that ideally co-design with the community themselves. So back in May, we had the privilege and honor of doing some co-design sessions with an organization in Toronto called Serving Our Youth, or SOY. And they serve LGBTQ, 2SI youth in Toronto, 29 and under. And while the co-design sessions went really well, we got some really interesting insights, really interesting ideas. There were so many things that we could have done better. And today I want to share with you, really quickly, in super short talk, 3 lessons from Ample Labs co-design, and also some inclusive design principles so that you can also take this in your work and apply it to your contest. The first lesson we learned is don't start with solution. So when our team was first brought on doing co-design, we were actually told to do usability testing with Soy. So the team took it away, and we thought about it, and we realized that to come into a community that we've never actually interacted with before, the queer youth community, with the solution already in mind, really reinforced some problematic power dynamics. It really sent the message that we, as the outsiders, who never lived the experience of being homeless, was coming in with a solution and prescribing it onto these youth who live with this experience every single day. So from that point, when we do usability testing, we're asking for feedback within the framework of our solution. We're not able to solicit things, and it's really important feedback such as, is this idea useful? Is it doing more harm than good? So we really had to take a step back and say, okay, we need to get more generative, and we need to do something like a co-design session. So that's what we did. The second lesson we learned is that co-design is not just a method, but a process in itself. And what I mean by that is, as a designer, going into this process, and my understanding of co-design was that it was a user research method, qualitative, that used a lot of making and doing tools to get it as new release. And I think a lot of that understanding is also from the industry as well. And that's exactly what we did in the co-design sessions. We ran 2 co-design sessions, we got some great ideas, great input, but we quickly realized that at the end of the day, we were still taking these ideas and inputs from the community and designing something for them, away from them. And if co-design is the act of designing with and not for, then this is not the co-design that we want to do. We can go further. So for us, we realized that co-design is not a one-time workshop in which we go into the community, extract insights, get out, and communities can hear from us again. It's rather a continuous engagement process where we go back to them at every step of the way, from ideation, sketches, wireframes, and do it all together, so it's truly designing with. The third lesson we learned is that to make co-design truly equitable, we need to invest in capacity building. Something that we really focus on in co-design is to have this dynamic, and power dynamics is always tricky to talk about, because in co-design sessions, we don't want to say we're the facilitators, you're the participants, we're the creators, you're the users. We're all co-designers around the same table, and we want to be really conscientious of any power differences and dynamics that are happening that way right now. And one of the things, many things, that is a power difference is the fact that those of us from Ample had skills that could translate ideas into tangible design artifacts that could then be put into production, right? And these youth, who are the real experts in the situation, they don't have those skills. They have amazing ways of expressing ideas, but not in a way that can then be put into production necessarily. So in order to really address that power dynamic, in order to truly design with, capacity building needs to happen. Really quickly, that's all I can share with you today, but please come up and ask me anything. I'll happily share with you, but for now, I'll leave you with some further resources from the Inclusive Design Research Center, and thank you for having me.